In this section, we will write a core data application with SwiftUI. You will see how easy it is to get started with all resources provided in Xcode. What will we learn by developing this project? First, how to save data permanently to the local database with core data. Second, how to add priority for a to-do item. Then, how to delete a to-do item. Next, how to create an impressive home view with custom illustrations and quotes. After that, how to develop a new feature, alternative icons. On top of that, we will learn how to build another feature, app color themes. And finally, how to open external links like web pages, Twitter, and so on. Without further ado, let's open Xcode and start coding.